Hey guys, Zizek here, and now that we got the watch, we can actually finally listen to these medals. First up is Whisper.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
As you can hear, it's the exact same sound as the Whisper one that comes with the watch, so it's kind of disappointing, but it's fine. Next is Jibanyan.
Summoning Charming! Alarming! Jibanyan! I'm pretty busy right now.
Also, this one is the exact same one as one that comes with the watch.
Jibanyan!
Next is Noko.
Summoning Slippery! Noko! Noko!
He's adorable.
Noko!
Next is Komasan.
Summoning Charming! Alarming! Komasan! Oh, my snarls! Komasan!
He's cute too. And the last one is the Boogie Boarding Tattletale.
Summoning Mysterious! Shake it, boogie, woogie. Clang, clang, delirious, mysterious! Tattletale! Tattletale!
I love the Mysterious song so much.
Tattletale!
Alright, and there's the 5 medals sounds that I could just show you last time. And just a quick little addendum to the end of this video. The medals are kind of tricky to get in there at first if you don't know what you're doing. I'm assuming the Japanese one was a little bit easier because that track was in the middle, so you just line it up and push it in. But basically, the little arrow at the top, if you put that right on top of that first track there, it'll go in no problem.
Summoning Charming!
But that is it for this video. I've got some blind bags coming up next, and hopefully the rest of the toys coming up soon. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.